up her box. Whoa, okay. Oh, wow. Her proportions are big. Look at this. Here is her huge arm. They are posable. They are posable. There's one arm. Okay, I think I'm about to slide it all out. Techie slide outs are amazing. So I got the slide out and let's take a look at what we have here. Oh no, there's twist ties. Alright, so we have the module right here. I'm pretty sure this is the mechanism, but it's pretty big for a mechanism. Body! Oh, it's so scary. Oh my god. She is scary. Oh god. Looks like I'm gonna put this over here. Hey. God, it fell out. What is... Let's take a look at this terrifying head. Gotta drink with protein. There we go. I broke it. I broke the plastic. Guys! She has a hairnet on. Oh my god! Guys, this thing is creepy. Oh my god. Guys, look at this head. It's so terrifying. Look at all the cracks. Wow, that's like the most cracks I've seen on a Darling Dolly. That is terrifying. The other arm. Wow. Super. Huh? I'm so confused. Isn't the module supposed to be the thing? So confused. Anyways, but here are the poles. They are very thick poles. Very nice poles. Good job, Techie! Alright guys, here is her base. Oh my god. Look at all the supports, all the stuff, the metal. Oh my god. Look at all this. It's pretty crazy. Jesus, I almost got killed by metal. And then here's the other part of the base right here. Anyways, let's get to her setup. Bye-bye box. No! Put the base down. Wow, this is so loud. Next, you snap lock the base of part A and then part B of B. Just like this on each side. Very difficult to slide on, but on this side. And then next, you're gonna snap lock your two poles at the bottom, which is D to D. And then C to C. Then you're gonna take these little metal prong thingies and just attach them through there to add extra support. And just then you're gonna take this little pin thingy right here and just attach it through here. That way, it does not go anywhere. Same thing on this side. Just gotta do the same thing that you did over there. As you can see, it's not coming out. Just like that. Next, you're gonna take your two other poles, one with the control box and one with the other non-control box on it. And you are going to put E to E right here. And then, I'm pretty sure this is like C to C or D to D, I don't know. One of the two, and then you're just gonna attach it in the back, making sure that it snap locks right on. Now we're gonna put on the mechanism and then the clothing. You're gonna take your mechanism and attach it to the top. And now that it's attached, you can go ahead and attach the body to the mechanism. Next you put on the arms. Next you put on her head.